So we're looking to, let's look, EOS. Please share the videos and subscribe to the channel. It's a very sad situation at the moment for EOS holder, because normally if you have lows 4 years ago, 5 years ago, yeah, like that here, then you have a really good structure and you can say, okay, we have a good base here, here, and so on. But now you can see we already break this structure to the downside, and this is a very, very dangerous situation. So if we break this channel, yeah, this is our first channel here. This was our first, and this is our second, and this is a third channel for us. And if we break this, then you have to look to this level here. That means now EOS is here in this area. So has potential to these levels, yeah, 50 cent. Normally, this is so that we drop from this point here. Let's look what we have here. $1.11, 20 cent. Okay, the next target is something like 90 cent here. Yeah, I would say that we will drop here something like that. After 90 cent or 85 cent, I think we could get something like that, yeah, to test this here. This is important. Yeah, test, break, test. Yeah, and you can see the difference is something like 30 cent. It makes sense. After 30 cent down, then we are at 50 cent. Yeah. So, and that's the key information for you. Let's look and stretch this here, that we see in which level we can stop. So, and then we get something like that, 50 cent. And at 50 cent is a good opportunity and possibility to buy. It's not financial advice, but you can see with your own eyes it's a different if you buy here at $12 or 14, or if you buy here at 50 cent. So if you are now a member from my channel, then you know what happens here. So it's a recommendation for you to get here a member of my channel, because the member, they have their information what happens here in these areas. Yeah. So if you lose a lot of money here, like this, yeah, if you thought, okay, the price will go here to $50 or something like that, and you invest here, wait, yeah, this is rising, and you wait and wait, and the price is falling here to the downside. Now you need a strategy how you can earn the money back. Yeah, so if you need here help, use my membership, because in the membership you know exactly what happens here. Yeah. The price will go here to the upside, and let's look. Yeah, let's look what happens. But the price, general, I'm positive for EOS. The price will explode to the upside, but the vaults can make this not easy, because if the price is going here up and to the upside, then they can smash this again like this to the downside. Yeah, this you need here the strategy. Yeah, use the membership, please. Have a nice day. So we're looking to Bitcoin price. Today I want to make a live stream regarding Bitcoin and other cryptos. But first you get here a short intro into the Bitcoin price. Yeah, please look later the live stream, then you have more information about the price, what will happen here. So for us it's important, if you see something like that, we have here, or we have now the situation, at the moment we break here this structure, and this structure is not stable, Normally we have to go to these levels here and make a retest, yeah, something like that. But the structure is so broke, yeah, that we have not the energy to come back to these levels. But at 36,000, that was our support. Look, yeah, 1, 2, 3. So it is possible that the price go very hard to the upside at 36,000 levels. But I'm not calculating this, but this is possible. Yeah, it's not in my focus. If you look here to this here, then you can see we prepare us for something. Yeah? So I think the vaults can stretch this like this to the upside, yeah, something like that. So that you believe that the price of Bitcoin goes from 29,000 to 33,000. Also possible to 36,000 stretching, yeah. And after that, you believe, okay, we will break this structure to the upside, but in real, I think at 36,000, the price will go here to the downside. Let's look, yeah. In my eyes, if I zoom in, I have not so the focus that the price could go here to 36,000. If I look to this here, so the energy that we have here is very, very few. So this is, you can forget this, what you see here. This is very bad structure. So let me look. Yes, I would say here this is the last action, especially if you look here and you can see the signs here. Bitcoin break the structure to the downside, and that what now happening is here we make a retest of this, and if we're not breaking this to the upside, then the next logical thing is something like that, and the price is going here to the downside. Yeah, here's a clear signs that the price could go here to the downside, and we are here in a very dangerous situation. Yeah, the price is very weak. Yeah, and I would say this is our last action. But this, especially last area, is very manipulated. So my focus is low price to the downside and this move to the upside. Yeah. So let's look. One of them is that. But general, no matter if we are here or here, the price will break here down to the downside. Yeah. So have a nice day.